All right, guys, we are jumping into our first video of 2022, and I am starting with a everyday simple makeup look. I'm going ahead and with my Benefit brow gel, and I'm just using that to run through my brows and kind of give it that bushy look, that laminated look. It's very simple and easy to do. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with Max Fix Plus, the OG tried and true. And then I'm going in with my MAC foundation and my Maybelline Super Stay foundation, and I'm mixing those two together. And I'm blending everything in with a Sephora buffing brush. I will have the direct brush and number linked in my bio for you guys, along with all of the products. And then I'm going in with my KKW contour sticks. I cannot wait for her to bring back KKW Beauty because I need my contour sticks. Like, it just makes contouring so much easier, so simple, and the colors look really good. I'm using the dark for my contour, and then I'm blending it out with a Real Technique brush, and I'm just doing circular motions to kind of blend everything out. As far as placing it, I did the tried and true E method, 3 methods, the temples, your cheeks, and then a little bit below on your jawline, and I'm just blending that out again. I did a little bit of I did a little bit of nose contouring, and that is my mission this year, to figure out how to contour my nose the best way possible. So I skipped over me blending that out because it was a struggle there, but don't worry, we will get it. And then I'm going in with, of course, the NARS Creamy Custard Concealer, and I'm just placing that directly under my lower lash line. My goal now is to make my makeup look so much seamless, so simple, and just effortless. So I'm using a lot less product than I would have before, just so I can keep that natural skin look. I'm blending everything in with a Morphe sponge, and I'm still kind of out on it if I like it or if I don't. I don't know. I think Beauty Blender is just tried and true. It does the best job. I like the different angles that the Morphe sponge gives me, but I'm still not 100% sold on it. I don't know if I need to wet it more or wet it less. I don't know. So if you guys love that sponge, leave me some comments and tips below to figure out the best way to use it. But now I'm just going in with my Laura Mercier powder just to set my face. And then I went in with my MAC Skin Finish to just blend everything in and make sure there wasn't any ashiness to my face. Next, I'm going in with my Skin Finish in Dark Deep, and this is also a Real Technique brush, and I'm just using that to kind of like bronze up my face, just to add a little bit more color in. I didn't put too much on my forehead because I already did a lot of contouring up there, so I didn't want to have that helmet look. Next, I'm placing a blush. This is from the Shayla X Color Pop collection a couple years ago. And then finally, I'm doing my brows, which you guys saw I did the gel, but now I just took some powder to rub in there, kind of darken them up. And then I'm putting on a little bit of highlighter from Amrezy, and then finishing my face with my setting spray. So that is it. That's all the makeup that I'm doing to my face. Next, I'm going in to line my lips. Again, all of the products will be in the description box below. And I just lined my lips, and then I filmed them in a little bit because I'm just going to put on a gloss. We're not doing any lipstick or anything, and that is it. Okay, guys, so I'm all done. I didn't do any lashes or mascara today. We're just keeping it very basic, very simple, but the skin looks really good. I went ahead and threw on some jewelry just to kind of like, because what my outfit is very, very basic. So I threw on some jewelry. I'm wearing my Olivia earrings, and I am wearing the daisy chain. Our necklace is going to be added to my site very soon, but everything else is available. And then I'm also wearing the Emily ring. So the Emily ring and the star necklace are actually the same. It's just in a necklace form instead of on the round ring. But yeah, that is it. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit, and then we're gonna head out. Just wearing Fabletics leggings. The t-shirt is from Target, so just very simple. And then I'm wearing my Steve Madden boots. Wear my teddy coat from Misguided. Very cold here in Cleveland, so I'm gonna wear that. I may actually bring a crew neck as well. Actually, let me go grab that. So this is the Prosper Crew for my brand as well. It's our logo crew. So I'm gonna throw this on. And this is today's look. Very cozy, comfy, and that is it. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next Vlogmas video.